Hello students, now we will start our practice set 41. In this practice set, the first question is, if the interest on rupees 1700 is 340, means this is your principal amount, okay? P is rupees 1700 and interest is given as I is given as rupees 340, means on rupees 1700 he is paying interest rupees 340 for 2 years, means time is given as 2 years. Now you have to find R, that is rate of interest, okay? Then we will apply the same formula for that is for interest, okay? That I is equals to P into R into T upon 100, that is 1700 into R we have to find out, and T is given as that is, okay, here I am writing I is given as 340, P is 1700, R we have to find out, and T is given as 2 upon 100. 20 will get cancelled, and this 340 is equals to 17 2s are 34 into R. Therefore R is equals to 340 upon 34, okay? Then 34 10s are 340, means this option is the correct answer, okay? Now similarly the second one in the second question, if the interest on rupees 3000 is rupees 600, means principal is given, interest is given at certain rate of interest for certain number of years, what will be the interest on rupees 1500 rupees under the same condition? Means here what is given here, principal amount is given, okay? Here principal is given as 3000, okay, and interest is given as 600, okay? Means this is for certain number of years, means number of years, and the rate of interest is not given. What will be the interest? What would be the interest be on rupees 1500 under the same condition, okay? Means if the principal amount has changed, means from 3000 the principal amount is 1500 and the rate of interest and the number of years is constant, then we have to find the interest on rupees 1500, okay? Now here what is given here, that is first one, here two interest we have to find out, okay? Then we will take here I1 is given as 600, okay, is rupees 600 on rupees, that is principal, on principal is rupees 3000, okay? And we have to find out I2 on principal amount 1500. Is it clear? If principal is 3000, the interest is 600. If the principal is 1500 at the same rate of interest and the same amount for the same period, the same time, then we have to find the interest, okay? Now that means the formula is for finding the interest is P into R into T upon 100, okay? That means I1 is equals to P1 into R and T are same, okay? R and T, rate of interest and time is same for both, okay? Here it is given under the same condition, okay? And for I2 is P2 into R into T upon 100, rate of interest and time is same, then here I1 upon I2, if we will divide I1 upon I2 is equals to P1 into R into T upon 100, this is for I1, and for I2 P2 into R into T upon 100. With this 100 will get cancelled, this R will get cancelled, T will get cancelled. Then what is remaining here, I1 upon I2 is equals to P1 upon P2. Clear? Now we will substitute the value. I1 is 600, I2 we have to find out, that is second, and P1 is 3000 and P2 is 1500. With this 20 will get cancelled. Now therefore this is 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Now we have, that is 600 upon I2 is equals to 2. Okay, now this is, we will cross multiply, that is 600 upon 2. This I will go to that side and this one, and here 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 300. Then I2 is equals to 300. Okay, that means on rupees, that is 300. Then here 300 is the correct answer. Clear? Now we'll move to the next question. What is the next question? Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9% per annum in a bank for some years. Okay, means here time is not given, and withdraw his interest every day, means every year. His withdrawing his interest every year. At the end of the period, he received altogether 17,400 rupees. Sorry, for how many years had he deposited the money? Means what is given here? Principal is given, rate of interest is given, and that is amount is given. Okay, you have to find here the number of years. Clear? Okay, now here just modify the question, withdraw his interest every year. Just correct the statement. Okay, remove the statement. Now your question is, Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9% per annum in a bank for some years. At the end of the period, he received altogether 17,400 rupees. Then for how many years he deposited the money? Okay, means here time we have to find out. Okay, we have that is given to us, that we will write here. What is given? Principal is given. Principal is given as rupees 12,000. R is given as 9% per annum, and amount is given. Amount means at the end of that time he will receiving 70,400. You have to find, means to find what you have to find? Time. T you have to find out. Okay. Now the solution, that is amount is equals to principal plus interest. Amount is given as 17,400 and principal is 12,000. Therefore interest will be 17,400 minus 12,000, that is equals to 3,400. Interest is 3,000. Interest is 5,400. Okay, 17 minus 12 is 5. Okay, now this is your interest. Now we know the formula, I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Interest is 5,400. Principal is 12,000. R9 and T we have to find out. With 20 will get cancelled, and here 15,400 and this 120 into 9, that is 12 9s are 108. Okay, that is 108 into T. Now the 5,400 upon 1080 into is equals T. Okay, now 1010 will get cancelled. Now here we will divide, that is 108 5 108 5 is 540. Okay, that is time is 5 years. Clear? Means for 5 years, means he deposited, means Javed deposited the amount for 5 years. Clear? Here we will write the answer. Javed deposited the amount for 5 years. Okay, is it clear? Now we will move to the next one. Now here also the same thing is there. Lata Ben borrowed some money from the bank at 10% per annum. Okay, means rate of interest is given 10% per annum. R is given as 10% per annum. This is here R for 2.5 years. 2.5 years means 5 upon 2. In the previous exercise we have solved this. Okay, this is here T. And started a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees at a total interest, this is interest, I is interest, then how much money she borrowed, means principal you have to find out. Okay, this you have to find out. The same formula you apply here, P into R into T upon 100. Okay, and substitute the value and find the value of P. Clear? Then this is here homework. Now this table, in this table some principal is given, somewhere rate of interest is given, somewhere time is given, and interest and amount you have to find out. Okay, then we'll see it. Okay, this is a similar one as the same one, means principal is given, rate of interest given, T is given. Then first find interest by applying this formula. Okay, once you will apply this formula, then apply, that is for amount. Amount is equals to P plus I. P plus I. Okay, and find the amount. Okay, similarly solve this formula. Clear? This table. Okay. Now this part, this is similar as, means this all is depending upon the formula, means here somewhere principal you have to find out, interest is given, somewhere time is given, time you have to find out, and amount is find out. Clear? Then this part is your homework. Bye.